Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to use slow motion effect in CapCut. Open CapCut app on your device, start new project, or you can open an existing one where you want to apply slow motion effect. Add video you would like to use in project. Play through your video and decide the section you want to put in slow motion. Tap on the video to select it and use the split tool to create cuts where you want to slow motion to start and end. Like this, and now select middle clip, portion you want to slow motion, and tap on speed option in the bottom toolbar. Choose normal and drag the slider left to decrease speed, less than 1x. Observe new duration and adjust as needed. Tap on the check mark to apply effect. Choose settings like better quality, faster process, or smoother based on your preferences. Play through your video to preview slow motion effect. Adjust speed settings further if needed. Once you are satisfied, proceed to export. Tap on the export button in the top right corner. And that's it. You have successfully applied slow motion effect to your video in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.